Welcome, y'all. It's me. It's Kendra, your cannabis fitness trainer. Cuddy's over there, chilling. You guys ready for the first round of the Quickie today? Yeah, let's do it. Starting with those baby squats here in a neutral stance. Let's go dip it for 5, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to do the same thing with your hands in a modified push-up position. There you go, push up through those hands. Nice and gentle here. Good, now come on up. Take those toes, internally rotate them. Let those knees just baby squat in towards each other. Going with that beat, rock steady, baby. You already know we're going to mirror with our hands what we just did with our feet, doing those push-ups. Beautiful. Coming on up. Take those toes. We're going to do the opposite. Externally rotating and squatting. You can have your hands up if that feels nice. Coming down, back to that push-up position. Hands are externally rotated, and you're pushing up from the ground. Feeling your body work against gravity here. All right, now, right foot forward, left foot neutral. Baby squats. It's just a squat, it's not a lunge. Beautiful. Coming down on the ground, right hand forward, left hand back, neutral push-ups for 5. Probably feeling it right now, getting in those arms. You're doing great. Switch it, left foot forward, right foot back, and squat it. Pushing up through all areas of your feet here. Good. Same idea with your hands. Left hand forward, right hand neutral. Pushing up from the ground through those fingertips. Ooh, internal rotation now. Right foot forward, left foot back. Both feet are internally rotated. And you already know, same thing with their hands. Let's go. Maybe you're picking up the tempo a little bit more now. That's fine. Coming on up, left foot forward, right foot back. Internal rotation with those toes. Still those baby squats. Hands right down towards the knees. Beautiful. Let's do the same thing with our arms now. You're almost there. Keep going, guys. Come on up. Opposite foot forward. External rotation now. Good. Squatting it down. Still baby squatting it out. Feel that ankle flexion. And let's do it with our hands. Externally rotated with those palms. Come on up, switch feet, externally rotated. You're almost there, guys. Keep it up. Nice and steady, just like the song. Externally rotating. That opposite hand's forward now. Really feeling that chest all the way to the end. Beautiful. Take a child's pose. Take a couple of breaths. Nice job. Level 1 complete. 55 squats, 55